Hey YouTube, it's your girl Chilee and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a simple tutorial on how to achieve this goddess lock look. If you're interested, make sure to keep watching. So before this, I completed a protein treatment and a deep conditioning treatment. And then I blew out my hair so that it was stretched before we began. So the first step is to section your hair into 4 parts so that it's easier to manage. And then you will look like Loc Dog off of Don't Be a Menace. I feel like you really have to moisturize your hair before you do these protective styles because you no longer have the luxury of moisturizing it every day as if you had your wig. So what I'll be using is water and conditioner. I use a hair lotion. My favorite so far has been from the Main Choice. This is their tropical Moringa sweet oil, honey, and endless moisture sealing cream. And then my favorite sealant and favorite oil, everybody talks about black castor oil, but I haven't seen any results except for Sunny Isles brand. So to begin, I divided each quadrant into about 10 or 11 mini boxes and started twisting each portion. Make sure to twist your ends. They are the oldest part of your hair and they definitely need some extra love. Then I took my extreme gel and put that at the root of my twist to give it a sleeker look. And then added rubber bands to secure. Here, this is the full process. I start with my water and conditioner, add my hair lotion, and then twist that all the way down. Make sure I'm putting extra love on my ends and then secure with your rubber bands. So we all know that feeling when it's your last one. Finally, thank you, Jesus. So I completed all my twists, but it was pretty late at night and I decided to start again the next day. So this is the process to begin your dreads. You take your crochet hook and slip it underneath your mini twist. Hook the Marley hair, close your hook, and pull it through to the other side. But this is a protective style, so I'm gonna have to protect my hair. And I'm gonna take some Sulfur 8. Cause is it a protective style if your hair is not really moisturized when you put it away? If your hair is dry, then is it really a protective style? I take my actual hair and I'm just gonna coat it with the sulfur all the way down to the tips. After this, you will begin to braid your hair with the Marley hair until the end of the twist is completely covered. Then you take your Freetress hair and begin to fluff it out. This is a really important step because the more you fluff out the hair, the quicker and easier it is to cover the entire braid. So I add just a little bit more gel to my roots to give it that sleek look and then begin wrapping my braid with the Freetress hair. So what I'm doing here is taking a short piece of the hair and wrapping it in the opposite direction about 5 to 7 times. And then I take the longer piece and wrap in the opposite direction all the way down the braid. This is important that you do the anchor method so that your hair does not become loose. Also keep in mind, this does not have to be completely perfect. You can have gaps in between. I wasn't going for a perfect look, so don't worry if that happens. So while doing your locks, you'll encounter different scenarios where the hair is too short or the hair is too long. In this scenario, the hair was too short. It did not cover the end of the braid. So what you do is you just take another piece of Freetress hair and repeat the same method you did at your roots to the end. So So I did not have curly ends on all of them. Some ends had that round look to them. To do this, you twist all the way to the end of the braid and then start twisting upward until your hair is really thin like so. And then to seal my ends, I just burn it. So this is the amount of Freetress hair that I want to leave out. So instead of going all the way down, I take the Marley hair and I start wrapping that back up. And so this creates the effect of having the curly ends at the bottom with having the curly hair on the outside as well. So you just keep curling back up, and then once I get to a place where the hair is thin enough, I just burn that real quick. Don't touch it too quick because you definitely will burn yourself. And then you have the curly bottom with the curly Freetress hair on top. So that's another way to do it. That's kind of what I've been doing to these ends to create those curly bottoms. So I continued this method until I completed each and every twist. If you take your time and stay focused, you can complete this style quickly. I, of course, took my time and completed this style the next morning to have these finishing results.
Come back to me, my lover. Come back to me, my queen. And I could be your lover, or I could be your king. Come back to me, my lover. Come back to me, my queen. And I could be your lover, or you could be my queen. Yeah, yeah.
Alright you guys, I think that wraps up this video. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the girls channel before you go, and more importantly, make sure you put on your post notifications. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on all my social media. All my social media is the same, Chilee_baby. If you have any questions about my process and any specific details, make sure you comment them below and I will respond. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to catch you in my next video. Peace, love, and blessings.
Stay bright in the nighttime, illuminate my life when I see no more. Cause baby girl, you're my lifeline. Make it last for a lifetime.
Why are you naked?
I'm not.
So what are you wearing?
An outfit.